been right about right now. Whole lot chit chat, can't do that, settle down, pipe down. On the kitchen floor, on the church sauce, young Mike moonwalk. Always been a star in the sky, you did not get tuned out. Hey, yeah, I'm flashy, yeah, yeah. Now badges, hey, yeah. Quick flipping, yeah, yeah. Big mattress, hey, yeah. Don't ask me, hey, yeah. We taxing, hey, yeah. New address, hey, yeah. Can't move backwards. Hold up.
Okay, y'all, I just got this, and I just got it. You should have seen me trying to bring it in. Oh my God, heavy. I opened it. This is my new spring summer colors. I wanted to see what they were like, and I'm so excited because you see I have my hoodies. I have hoodies. I got this color. I have to fold all this stuff up. I think this is a vintage black. That's what I think. Then I got, of course, a bunch of black ones. Then I got racks of stuff over here that I have. Okay, so this rack was actually supposed to go up higher, so I don't know. So I can put a pole under it. So let's see what's going on with these colors. Dang, they packed the mess out of this. I don't even know how I'm gonna get it out. Oh my God. Hold on. Let me see how I'm gonna get these out. Because I have no idea how I'm gonna get these out of here. They got these packed. I'm like, do they use a machine to pack these? I'm like, how you pack them in here? Let's see. Let's see. So these are the new colors. I'm excited about these because I wanted to see what they were gonna look like. Look at this pink. Oh, I thought that had pink. That's so sweet. I love it. I love it. One of my friends was like, you gotta get colors. Look at this. So I'm gonna probably put them back in here so until I fold them and put them up and go through them. We're gonna go through them and see which colors we gonna bring out. I like this. I really like that. We'll see. We'll see which colors, but I just wanted to show you because sometimes you have to have your, like, it's one thing to look at them online, but it's another thing to look at them. It's another thing to look at them literally in person. You know, it's always good to look at stuff in person. I like looking at stuff in person. Some of the things I trust from some of the well-known YouTubers, and I got this earpiece in my ear, so you know, you trust it because you know they really work in their business, and so you do. It's certain ones I look at and trust on what they do, especially machine-wise. There's a couple of them that I look at. That's my air freshener that you just heard. So yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna have to go through all of these and we're gonna look at them and see how we gonna do what we do. We have another line coming in of some shorts, t-shirts, and sweats that I can't wait to see. They're 100% cotton, and we're gonna see. We'll look at that. So yeah, so that's it. So yeah, thanks for watching and continue to watch and see us grow and the things that we get and start to work on, and yeah, that's it. Okay, so I showed you the t-shirts and everything. So now I'm getting ready to go. I'm so hungry. I am so hungry. So I took my hair down, but I should have washed my hair because my hair needs washing. And I should have washed it before I wrapped it, because if I don't, it feel oily and it stay flat. I have to wash my hair all the time. Anyway, you like my t-shirt? Extraordinary, true story, true statement. The brand with the message. These glasses big, aren't they? I had some small ones. I broke them. But anywho, I got to put these on because I won't be able to see if I don't. But anyway, I could see. I could drive. I could do all that stuff. But I just can't. I have to see, like reading. I have to, these are like readers, whatever. All right, so I'm hungry. So it is today. I'm going to get something to eat. I'm hungry. All right, so I'll see y'all later. Stay tuned because I'm gonna be making some outfits. Just setting up stuff and putting things together, color charts and everything. Like I said, if you're doing a business, get serious about your business. I'm serious about my business this year. Not that I haven't been serious about my business, but I hadn't had the time to actually do my business because I had my other business that I was doing. So now that we got things under control with the other business, you know, I'm excited about the new things that's happening, the possibilities and everything that's happening this year. And I'm excited about it. I do need to organize, though. I have a lot of stuff that I want to do, organize. I want to do a lot of stuff with the young people this year, this spring, summer. And I'm excited about that. I'm excited about a lot of things because I'm excited about the change, the good change in everything. All right, I'll talk to you soon. But don't forget, don't give up on your dreams. Ever, never, ever, ever, never, ever give up on your dreams. And if something is not working for you, just try something else. It's okay. It's okay to try something else. You know how many times, I'm not going to say I failed, but I learned from experience things that don't work. And so when they don't work, I started doing things, then it made me do things that do work. And so when things start working, then, hey, that's what you go with. Things gonna work. You're gonna always, you know what? I always say a business plan is not something that is written in stone because you can always change it. You always change your business plan. Business plans change. Nothing is written in stone because sometimes things just change, and you might have thought about it one way, but then after you thought about it, then once you started to do it, it's like, oh, this is a better way for me. So it's okay. Change is okay. Change is good. All right, I'll talk to y'all soon. I'm hungry and I'm about to go eat because I am starving. Peace.